welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. And today we're doing Princess Minnie Mouse and the Rockabilly Stroll. So come on with us, let's take a dance adventure at Rosie's Diner, a historic diner in Aurora. Please remember to like and subscribe my line below and check out all of our dances. Step 1, step taps, right, left, and right. It looks like this. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap. Or right, tap, left, tap, right, tap. Step 2, grapevine to the left and to the right. Side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap. Step 3, step taps back, chassé forward, quarter turn to left. 1, tap, 2, tap. 1, 2, 3, turn. Repeat from the beginning.
Stop in a little joint, everything's fine. They got a rock and roll band, I'll have a dancing good time. I wanna bop, I wanna stroll, really love rock and roll. And a foot in the corners and a little chick.
Minnie's Rockabilly Stroll How-To. Do you love retro? Rockabilly pulls the best of the past into the present. But who would a 50s cartoon princess be? Why, Minnie Mouse fits the bill for a retro Rockabilly Stroll How-To. About Minnie Mouse, Minnie graced the silver screen first as Minerva Mouse in 1928. Even though Minnie was not an official Disney princess, she was always a princess to Mickey. She also started as a princess in 2 cartoons. She was first featured as a princess in the 1933 Ye Olden Days, and then again as a princess in The Three Musketeers in 2004. Princess Minnie loved animals. Her 2 pets were Fifi the dog and later Figaro the kitten from Pinocchio. Although Mickey and Minnie were never officially married, their voice actors did marry one another. They were a mouse match made in heaven. Minnie was also a fashion icon. By the 1940s, Minnie Mouse's redesigned set trends. Minnie changed from a flapper to a more conservative polka dot dress with bow. Her new dress influenced the pop culture. Musicians like Frank Sinatra sang about polka dots, and by the 50s, Marilyn Monroe, Lucille Ball, Audrey Hepburn all sported spots. This is not surprising that Minnie received her star on National Polka Dot Day. This mouse knows style. So the Stroll. The Mickey Mouse Club was a hit from 1955 to 1959, paralleling the popular Stroll dance. This was a 1957 dance mixer with 2 lines of dancers facing one another and the top couple dances down the center. By the 1970s, there was a Rockabilly and Stroll revival in movies like American Graffiti and Grease. Just like Minnie Mouse morphed, the Stroll mixer morphed into a line dance. The line dance version is now known as the Rockabilly Stroll. The song I used was I Wanna Bop by Billy Harlan. Harlan is a composer and a bass player tapped by Jim Reeves to play in his band. In 1958 recordings, Schoolhouse Rock and I Wanna Bop. From there, Jimmy Harlan faded into obscurity until 2010, the Viva Las Vegas Rockabilly Weekend brought Jimmy out of retirement. He found fame many decades after his original recordings were made. For our location. To pick my location, I did a Google search to find Colorado historic diners. Rosie's Diners came up in an article, 5 Authentic 50s Diners in Denver. After going to dinner at Rosie's, I was convinced this was the perfect location for Minnie Mouse's Rockabilly Stroll. Rosie's Diner at 14061 Aurora, Colorado had far from humble beginnings. This Paramount stainless steel modular diner started as the Silver Dollar Diner in New Ferry, New Jersey. Its interior 1950s charms includes diner booths and a jukebox at each booth that plays 2 tunes for the price of a quarter, and classic diner art and memorabilia. How did Rosie's get its name? The diner was featured in the Bounty commercials where waitress in the diner named Rosie would be the quicker picker-upper. Owner Sam kept the tradition alive and named this 1950s retro diner after its famous commercial waitress, Rosie. Thank you for watching this historically accurate Princess Dance video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our line below, and check out all our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com.
The one looking, I can tell she's got a lot of